caught with a clogged toilet and no plunger in sight. Don't panic. Here's how to tackle it using simple household items. First step, the dish soap and hot water method. Squirt a generous amount of liquid dish soap directly into the toilet bowl. Aiming for the water rather than the sides, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps to loosen the clog by lubricating the pipes. After the waiting period, it's time for the hot water. Gently pour a bucket of hot, not boiling water from about waist height into the bowl. The heat and force of the water should help break down and push the clog through. Wait and watch. If the water level starts to go down, you might be in luck. Repeat the hot water pour if necessary, but be patient. It's not always an instant fix. For a tougher clog, try the baking soda and vinegar trick. Pour about 1 cup of baking soda into the toilet bowl, then follow with 2 cups of white vinegar. This combination creates a fizzing reaction that can help break up blockages. Let this mixture work its magic for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if the clog is stubborn. Once the fizzing stops, try flushing the toilet. If the clog persists, you can try adding another bucket of hot water after the baking soda and vinegar has had time to react. If you can see a visible obstruction, like toilet paper, you might be able to manually remove it. Carefully straighten out a wire coat hanger, forming a small hook at one, and gently insert the hooked end into the bowl and try to hook and pull out the offending material. Be very careful not to scratch your toilet bowl or push the clog further down the drain. Safety first. To prevent future clogs, always be mindful of what you flush. Only flush toilet paper and human waste. Avoid flushing wet wipes, feminine hygiene products, paper towels, or excessive amounts of toilet paper at once. Regularly cleaning your toilet with a good toilet cleaner also helps maintain clear pipes. And there you have it, your toilet is back in business. These simple, plunger-free solutions can save you a plumbing emergency.